Karan, you do. No, no need. Wait. I told you
What,
to.
ma'am?
I wanted you to do a screen recording. Okay, no problem. Okay. And if time permits, then we will know how to get collection of a newspaper and this one. And how to see it in the online session. If video camera is off, that one is also process. So let's see what happens. Number 6, number 5, acting, teaching, any profession. You can do acting, teaching, or a doctor, or a seller, or any office work, or any what you can say, medical representative, or you can do it any acting you can do, or that one uh, customer care service, like that also you can do. So you have to how to do an acting without in a teaching. That one I am doing for you, just for 1 minute. You just listen to it, and after that one profession you will choose, and on that profession you will be doing your acting, your character. You will play your character, like that. So teaching, I am telling you how to teach, how to do this. Okay, see, I am thinking that in front of me students are there, and I have been selected to go in front of them and teach something for sure. So let's see how I do this all these things. This one you have to just notice. Okay. Hello guys. Hmm. Hello my dear students. How are you? Hmm. Are you good? Yes, you are good. Okay, today I will not be able to tell you anything about subject matter. I will not tell you anything about regarding any chapter. I will tell you just to play with me. Are you there with me? Oh, you are so crazy. You became so excited about that. All of you. That means all of you want to play, I think. Is it? Okay, very good. Okay, today we shall play a game. Hmm. But one thing. Hey Ajay, you stand up. Now you tell me which game you want to play. Oh, badminton. No dear, no dear. It is not. It is not possible for me to in the teaching room. I will play with you badminton, and if I play with you badminton, then whatever the results will come from others' mindset. So you have to suggest me a game where everybody can join us and we can equally, uh, immensely enjoy the game. Okay, okay. Oh, football? No, football in the room of teaching. How can it be possible? Cricket? No, no way. So, what will be? All of you think for a while. Then I will tell you what is that. Nobody got. Okay, no problem. I am telling you the. Hmm, what, Rekha? What do you say? Story. 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 To play a story is not a game, dear. Oh no. Okay. Quiet. Be calm, be calm. Okay. I am telling you the story. Okay. I know all of you love so much the story. And I will be there for you to tell a story. And I will. But one thing is that you have to promise me something. What's that promise? is when I will be telling to you a story, you will be listening to it very attentively. And if suppose if I am asking you in between this story any question regarding this story, you have to answer for that. Are you ready? Then who will give me the correct reply? That person or that student, that boy or that girl will get a good mark and a get good gift also. So are you ready? Oh my god, you are enjoying so much. Oh, I'm really happy with you all my dears. I love you so much. Wow. So let's get started with the story and we will have enjoy a lot today. Today are our first day and we will have a very nice timing with ourselves. Okay. So thank you dears. Did you understand? All of you? Did you understand how to do it? you have to you have to think the situation is, that means what the profession you are taking, you have to think that this is the situation is going on with you, and you are forgetting the session is going on, you are giving a test or what, anything you have to just feel free with that profession, and then you have to play with the character. That's the thing. That should be. And I could tell you the story also, that means I could give you the character, that character is telling the story to the students, but it would take time, that's why I didn't tell. But one thing is that that should be the your entry. You can imagine, you can notice the entry in the room, entry in the situation, then engage with the students, engaging of the with the situation, and then closing from the situation. That three things should be very active in your mindset, in your character. Then only you will be able to play the character, and the thing will be really like very easy. So you just, if you have noticed all these things, then please, you imagine anything, any profession you choose of your own, and please start uh, a bit, approx 5 minutes, all of you start, and just act, and just forget everything, and just do your own research, and do your own efforts, and do the best you can. And then, yeah, please. I choose my character. Okay, very good. Karan, did you choose? Ma'am, what is it? Did you choose any character to play? Any act you have chosen, any profession you have chosen that you will play now? Yes, ma'am. Okay, be confident dear, be confident, be confident in your, ma'am, yes, in your, yes, this things that, only a little bit. Okay, yeah, yes, you are little bit. Okay, ma'am. Hello Karan, be active in the session. Yes, dear, what happened? Any profession you choose, no matter if you are choosing the character of a teacher, then also it is good. If three of you are choosing the same role, then also it is good. I don't have any problem. I want to check your fluency, I want to check your entry in the engagement, entry, engagement, and conclusion. These three things I want to check, and nothing. That should not be that the any other profession you are taking. If you can, you do, no problem. But if you are not thinking that how what to do, then you can choose this profession also, no problem. I don't have any problem. I want your comfortable. This is the thing. So Harshit, did you choose any profession to act? Yes, ma'am. Yeah, very good. So let us start from Shikha. You start, dear, just for 5 minutes, okay? And volume should be very confident, and voice should be very melodious. That should be done. Not in the speaker. You have to say very nicely and very. I will check all these things, dear. Please do on. Hello, Shikha. Please
I
start.
will be the seller of okay, seller of vegetables.
Okay, okay, no problem. Please.
Yeah, so I'm starting now.
Hmm.
Hi, what do you want to buy? Okay, so you want potatoes. Okay, how much? Like 1 kg, 2 kg, like how much? Oh, so you want half kg? Yeah, no problem. I have no problem. Yeah, 60 rupees per kg, so 30 rupees of half. No, I am telling the same rate. How much in my neighbors selling? No, this is not expensive. No, you can buy this. This is not so much expensive. I didn't show my profit in this because everyone have because health is a precious thing for us. And I sell very fresh vegetables. You can buy this. I didn't see any profit in this by selling the vegetables. Everyone eats the food, and if the food will get expensive, then this is not good. And yeah, you came in the car, you are very rich, and then you are telling like that. This is not perfect. This is not good, ma'am. 20 rupees. No, ma'am. This will happen too much. Sorry, ma'am. I can't sell you in this rate. Like I can sell this for you only 25 rupees. And now I can't bless it anymore. Really very sorry, but I don't want to. If I'm not seeing in this my profit, and now if you will say me that you want to buy this in 20 rupees, then how I can do this? Because in this there will be my loss. Because I'm not seeing in this my profit, and I'm not seeing in this my loss. I can't see my loss. Don't want to buy potatoes. Then I can sell you this only in 25 rupees. Please buy. Thank you. And what else do you want to buy? Onions. Is it, do you want to buy it? Okay. Okay. Okay, the rate of it. Excellent. So it is 50 rupees per kg. Like you want to buy 2 kg, then you have to give me 100 rupees. Yeah, no, ma'am. I tell you the rate. This is not. I tell you the less less rate of the onions because the onions are 70 per kg. Not I cannot say this, but here the onions are 70 rupees kg. But where I bought it, the onions are 60 rupees kg, and I say you in I say you the less price of it. I didn't see my profit. Here in this, there is a man lot of 10 rupees. You can't say this like that. I am rubbering. I am. You can't say like that, ma'am. No, but I bought it. These are the place that where I bought. The place is very nice, and they had fresh vegetables, and I also have a fresh vegetable because I bought it in the morning. I bought it in the morning. This is very fresh vegetables. I can't. Now you are telling that you want this in 40 rupees? No, no, I can't do this. I can't. I'm sorry, mom, but if you do like that in every vegetables, then I can't sell you. In the potatoes, you are doing the same. You said that you will give me only 20 rupees of half kg. Ma'am, this is not good. Ma'am, you can't say like that. Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, if you don't want to buy onions, then no problem. Ma'am, but this is very less now, please. Please, no, ma'am. I can't tell you this in this rate. You can bought this from another shop. No, no, no. I am not talking with you rudely. I'm not talking with you rudely because I am talking with you very soon. Can't say like that, ma'am. Ma'am, ma'am, we walk here and there for you, like you eat the food and how and you gave us money then for for that we can eat the food. Then we walk afternoon also, and you can't say like that, ma'am. And then even I'm not seeing my profit in this. And in that all which you bought from now, there is now lot of loss, ma'am. In the earlier there is my 5 rupees loss, and now you're telling that you are telling that you will give me only 40 rupees on kg. And like that you can see that you will give me 1 kg of you will give me 40 rupees of 1 kg, then 2 kg of 80 rupees. Then there is that 20 rupees loss, ma'am. Then 20 and 5 is equals to 25. And there is no 25 rupees of loss, ma'am. I can't tolerate it. 25 rupees loss is very much for me. This is not for you, but I know. And you are so rich, ma'am. You came in your car and you are doing like that, then how can I manage? There is my family also, ma'am. And ma'am, if you don't want to buy this vegetable from me, then you can go. Please, ma'am. Ma'am, I am not talking with you rudely. Ma'am, you can go. There is many shops in this market. You can buy very fresh vegetables. I'm sorry, ma'am. I'm not talking with you rudely. You can't fight with me. Ma'am, everyone is watching us, ma'am. Please don't do that. Sorry. Ma'am, I can't tell you
Very
this.
good,
Okay.
very good. Nice, nice, nice. But one thing is that, yeah, you are behaving like a vendor only. You are acting like a vendor only, like that. It was very nice. But one thing is that it took so much time, Shika. It took so much time, and that one you have to notice. Okay, sometime time will be limited. In that limited time, you have to perform yourself. Okay.
Ma'am, there is a limit of time.
Yeah, 5 minutes was there, dear.
I'm sorry, ma'am. I don't know
Okay,
really.
no
Ma'am,
problem. No problem, dear.
I thought that you will stop me, then I will
Oh
stop.
no. How could I
I
stop
will
you?
be
You are doing
minded
so
and then
nicely.
I can
You
go
are
there.
doing so nicely. How could I stop you? It was not in my ability that I could stop you. Yeah, really. Very good. Very good. You have done very nicely. Very nice. You are getting 5 out of 5. So that's really melody. Voice was melody, and you are behaving like a seller, that how to buy and how to sell. But then also a boy melodious melody was there, a nice volume was there, confident was there, and words were playing in your communication. That was really very important, and you have done it. Very good, dear. Very good. Thank you so much. Now, Harshit, you play your character, whatever you have thought.
Okay.